Today is the 30th of November 2023, guys. We are banking amazing profit. Today is the last trading day of the month, guys. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market, Euro USD, and bank amazing profit. If you look at the Euro USD 4-hour chart this morning, we were looking price action here. But as I explained to my trader this morning, if you look at, let me make it slightly zoom. If you look at the previous price action, we have rejection. You can see how many time price reject, and that's give us the high probability, and we have this wedge has been developed. But most key important thing is we look at the price action in intraday and trying to materialize this short, beautiful, amazing trade. And let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. Pretty standard and straightforward. This morning, as explained to my trader, if the market is going to respect this level, then keep taking it and keep taking a pullbacks. Otherwise, if the market is going to break this and give us the confirmation, then long here. So if you can see here, based on this analysis, market nicely developed another pullback, broken this one, and after this breakout, you can see here beautiful after the breakout, market develop another pullback, beautiful short trade. As soon as the market hit to the profit target based on the 4-hour support level, and that's what I explain over traders. It's time to enjoy amazing profit. So guys, you want to see all that analysis in real time with a full explanation with the live audio commentary support, most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day, guys.